Reverse osmosis filtering system. Then this short video, I'm going to show you the difference between the 6 months versus a year. Actually, I'm not going to be able to show the 6 months, but this is the 12 months view. As you see in the middle, that dark one, that's the uh, that's the sediment filter, and it's terrible, and the taste was terrible. My wife was always complaining about it. So don't do 12 months, do it in 6 months, and sediment filter needs to be replaced every 6 months along with the carbon filters, which is you're seeing it on the left side. You can see even that one is pretty bad versus the new one on the very left. See, it's a pure white, but the middle shows that even carbon filter, which comes after the sediment filter, even that one is really in bad shape. So do it in 6 months for sure. And now I'm going to show you, this is my setup area. I have 3 filters, and the first one is again the sediment filter, and the last one is the blue one I'm right now taking out. That is the last carbon filter, which I'm going to be showing you right now. And you've seen it, that the first carbon filter was bad, and this one is also bad. As you see, it's nothing comparison the new one. It's bad, so don't do it 12 months. It's actually worse than drinking the tap water, because now build up mass over there, like lots of chemicals that is just going through your